So the next system of measurement of angle is called centesimal system. Centi means 100th part. Centi means 100th part. The centesimal system uses 100 parts. So what are the units that are used in centesimal system? In centesimal system, angles are measured in units called grades. And how does the system work? So one right angle, whatever is the right angle, so you know that right angle is 1/4 of a complete rotation. So one right angle in centesimal system is divided into 100 grades. So 91 right angle is divided into 900 grades. So this system is called centesimal system. So the system looks something like this. One right angle is equal to 100 grades. So I use a superscript G to represent grades, and one grade is further divided into 100 minutes. So these are also called minutes, but these are minutes of centesimal system, centesimal minutes. And 1 minute is further divided into 100 seconds. So these minutes and seconds look like same sexagesimal system, but these are centesimal minutes and those are sexagesimal minutes. So centesimal seconds, sexagesimal seconds. So the minute of centesimal system is different from the minute of sexagesimal system, and the second of centesimal system is different from the second of sexagesimal system. And finally, one grade can be written as 10⁴ sexagesimal seconds this time. So one grade is 10⁴ sexagesimal seconds.